Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my May Ipsy Glam Bag, so let's get in it and see what I chose and what else I got. This is the original Ipsy Glam Bag. It is $12. You will get 5 products. They say they will be deluxe samples, but so often you will find a full-size treasure in here. Each month with this bag, you can go in and make a choice, and then the other 4 products they will pick for you according to your profile. This is the bag that we have. It's one of the vinyl feeling ones, and it has a little rose gold tab. That's so pretty. When we open it up, nope, that's not my paperwork. Spoiler, I have a lippy. That is my paperwork, and it tells us everything we need to know about what is in the bag. So let's gloss up and check it out. It says May 2021 is flower power. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. I am so glad to be getting back out there and getting to put some of my makeup to use. I know, is that not the lamest excuse for being happy to get outside? But it's true. I haven't been wearing anywhere near enough of all of this wonderful makeup. Okay, I don't think there's any surprise when I tell you guys this was my choice item. It is a complex culture brush. Number 1, you guys know I love to pick brushes. Number 2, you guys know the complex culture brushes are fantastic. If you have not tried them, I do seriously recommend giving them a shot. This even came, how great would this little bag it came in? I mean, it's a nice thick plastic. It would be so nice for travel. This is a good brush. It's just an all over shadow brush. I love these brushes. This has kind of got a slightly rubberized feel. Not rubberized like things are gonna stick to it, but it's just easier for gripping up into the pretty gold barrel, and it's the right amount of denseness and softness. I love these complex culture brushes. It is the all over shadow brush. We know time is precious, so this multitasking shadow brush will have you pulled together and out the door in no time. Use it wet or dry to shade your crease, blend shadow, or highlight your inner corners. It also has a biodegradable handle, and it's made to fit all shapes and sizes. It has an $18 value, so this alone is worth $6 more than the cost of my entire bag. Biodegradable handle, that is interesting. Okay, next out of the bag we have a Skin & Co. Roma Citrus Amaro Hand Cream. And that is what that looks like. I don't know, we've had a billion things by Skin & Co. I don't know that I've ever had one of their hand creams. So, ooh, nice seal. So it'll be fun to try. Let's see what Citrus Amaro smells like. It's just a nice little cream. I could use some of this on the back of my hand. In a previous video that I just taped, I used a face peel, so my hand could use a little moisture. Oh, that's very nice. It's citrus. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's citrusy, and yet something about it says posh. I honestly, I don't even know how to describe it, guys. Let's see if the paperwork helps me out. Give your hands the TLC they deserve with this nourishing and yummy scented cream. Formulated with shea butter and sweet almond oil, it transforms dry, cracked skin without any greasiness. And the vibrant citrus scent, one whiff will transport you to the Mediterranean. I agree, it does have that citrus scent, and I'm telling you what, my hands have absorbed it completely. It does have that citrus scent, but there's also something, it's almost like citrus combined with spa, combined with just the most posh perfume. If you see this as a $3 add-on, I would seriously recommend picking it up. My hands absorbed it. They look fantastic, and that scent, if I can find this, I will be picking this up in a larger size. That smells fantastic. Okay, next, I have this teeny tiny Infinity Sleeping Lip Mask. It is little. I mean, granted, it's a sleeping mask, so it won't take much. And that is what the top looks like. It's kind of bubbly, but I'm sure that's just because of the heat. So it's just gonna be balmy for your lips. Let's see what the paperwork says. Looks and May Cosmetic Infinity Sleeping Lip Mask. The last step in your PM skincare routine, a thick layer of this overnight lip mask. It eliminates dryness and chapping while you snooze with a blend of plant-based oils and butters that lock in moisture and nutrients so you wake up with softer, smoother lips. Guaranteed. The MSRP on the full size of this is $60 and it's 20 grams. This is 3 grams. So this has a value of about $2.50. Oh, I didn't talk about that with this. This full size would be 30 ml and $12. And this is 15 ml. Wow. So this is half of a full sized. Well, I'm gonna need more than one of those. So this has a $6 value. Next, we have a Context nail lacquer, and despite the bare nails that you are looking at right now, you guys know I love to do my nails. So I'm one of those people who, I'm always happy to have the nail lacquer in my box. This may not be the best color for me. It is very warm. See how I don't think it'll be the best color. I may try it and then pass it along if my daughter wants it, although she's been having her nails done lately. But I think that's a little warmer than I normally use. But this is always such a great way to try that out because it's just part of a box. So if it doesn't work for me, it's not the end of the world. It is the nail lacquer in Take It Off. It has an MSRP of $15. This ultra shiny and chip resistant peachy nude color is about to be your new go-to for all your spring and summer occasions. Plus, the 5-free formula is made without some of the harmful ingredients found in many polishes, so it doesn't just look good, it's good for you. So since I got a brush and a nail polish, I happen to get 2 full-size products. My last product is the Item Lip Quip, which I received this in another color that I am loving. So I already know I like this product from this brand. This is definitely a different color. It is Come Through. And that is what it looks like. It says Ipsy exclusive. Yep, we've scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty products exclusively for you. Get ready for your softest, juiciest lips ever. This rosy tinted lip oil is infused with plant-based conditioners like jojoba oil, almond oil, and shea butter to help lock in moisture for the long haul. Oh yeah, just totally, that one's almost, it's barely a peachy nude. But the one I have is a real reddish color. I just got it a box or 2 ago, so you can go back and check it out. I like this a lot. There's no sticky to it. I wear it all the time. That is my May Ipsy Glam Bag original bag. We got the bag, the Item Beauty Lip Quip, the Skin & Co. Citrus Amaro hand cream that smells amazing, the lip mask, the Context nail lacquer, and this really, really nice, almost like blender brush, but it says it's an everything brush from Complex Culture, and I love their brushes. So I am on board 100 with this bag. This was another great month. I have been having some excellent, they're always good, but I have been having some above par Ipsy Glam bags lately. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I really look forward to seeing you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.